and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Hey guys, this is Spencer with Defense Training, and I want to do a quick size comparison. We get asked this actually quite often, the sizes between the Olight. This is the Warrior series Olight, so we have the Warrior Nano, this is the Mini 3, and then this is the Warrior 3S. Hey guys, make sure to go check out our sponsor for this video, which is our sister company, holstersbydefensetraining.com. So go over there and check out all the holsters they make. They have handgun holsters and magazine holsters available for sale. So make sure to go check them out because they do help make this video possible for us to put online and keep doing these videos. So this is basically how big they are. If you look, the Nano is pretty small. So the Nano, you know, it's about as long as my longest finger here. So it's pretty small. If you're looking for a small flashlight, this one would work for you. This one has 1200 lumens max. It does have the strobe. It has the push button, the push tail button. It has the side button as well. You can set the tail button to strobe and all that. All of these do all of that. All of those. This one, this is actually my favorite EDC here. I actually, to be honest with you, I have the Warrior Mini 2. I've been carrying this one for years, and for those that have the Warrior Mini 2, the Warrior Mini 3 is actually a little bit shorter, and it's a little bit thinner. Just a hair, and I mean just a hair thinner, but it is thinner. So I don't know if you can see this, but this bezel almost fits into that other bezel. So it's just a hair thinner, but it comes with all the same options and stuff. This one is 1750 lumens max with the strobe, tail button, side button, and you can program the strobe here or just bright here. I personally like the strobe with that, but this is my favorite. This has got a good EDC feel to it. You know, you can grab it, come off on that strobe. This is, again, my personal favorite is this size, but again, this is the Warrior Mini 3. We actually, go check out our website, we'll put a link down below. We actually stock these at times. And then this is the Warrior 3S. This for EDC for me is a little big. Now it does come with a holster. It's just a little nylon type holster, which is pretty decent, that you could carry it, but it also has the belt clip. You could clip it as well. You know, it's got the hat clip. It's not that heavy, but this thing is bright. The upside to this is this would actually stun your attacker in daylight. Me and my boy, we went outside a few times in the bright sun. In fact, we just did it again here not too long ago in the bright sun, and I said, all right, put it to my face, you know, and I was standing probably 10 foot from him, and he come up and he hit it, and it spotted my eyes, and it spotted my eyes enough to where he was able to move over, and I didn't realize he had moved. So this is bright. These in the sunlight aren't going to be, not the bright sunlight, aren't going to be that effective. Inside they're pretty effective even with the lights on, and then of course if it's dusky dawn, you're going to be very effective with these with your strobes. This one is 2300 lumens on strobe, this one is 1750, and then this one is 1200. Now granted, 300, as long as you get a good eye shot, 300 is plenty bright enough, but I just wanted to go over the sizes. So this one is a good, I'll take this one camping with me. This is where this one's going to go with us. It's going to go actually in our camper, and so we'll have that. It's got all the other modes as well. Check out my other videos for a full overview of these lights. But I just wanted to show you the size. So this one's a handful basically. This one for me is the right size for EDC. I like this size. Again, like I said, I've had the Warrior Mini 2 for years at this point. It is beat up. I mean, mine used to basically look like this. And you can see all the shiny spots where it's been wore. It's been wore the whole rim here. But I haven't ever had a problem with it. If you're looking for a good flashlight, any one of these would work. If you're looking for the smaller one, maybe you can stash away down in your pocket. Maybe you can just carry it all the way in your pocket. This one would work very well. It's just a little bit too small for me for EDC. I like this size, and this one's a little too big for me. But I just wanted to show you a size comparison, a quick overview of size comparison between the Warrior Nano Mini 3 and the 3S. Alright guys, this is Spencer with Defense Training. Stay safe, stay armed. Hey guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you don't mind, and share it if you would. This really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, we offer different styles of training. So we offer concealed weapons classes here in Anderson, South Carolina. Also, we offer advanced training, and we offer church safety team training. So you can go check all that out at defensetraining.org. And then, of course, we make holsters. We have our online holster store, so if you go check that out, and that's holstersbydefensetraining.com. And all these links are below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.